So many politicians today suffer from this fate. Lack of gratitude. Lack of gratitude. Greed. And when you are within that cycle of being an ingrate, you can never grow. Envy. You will see that nothing good will come around you. But when you see somebody doing well and you associate with that, you will grow. That's how life is. There are no two ways about it. I made a broadcast to the state, and I told the state, look, we are not going to relent because we have been spending a lot of money on insecurity, oil bunkering, which is affecting our revenue at the federal level. And we had meeting with security agencies, and I told them, you must go all out. If I hear anybody holding meeting, whether in a restaurant, whether in a hotel, and I find out that the contents are there, we will invade that place. I will not give anybody any breathing space to organize yourself to attack. I will not agree. 2, if I hear anything of any filling station involved in oil bunkering, I will close that filling station. And therefore, I have directed the security agencies to know who has that filling station in Job and arrest that person, and we're going to prosecute the person. It doesn't matter how highly that person is. Some of it should be used to be taught a lesson. It's not to go on radio. Time has come. We cannot allow oil bunkering. We can't. We will reduce this to the barest minimum. So I've ordered the security agencies to identify who owned that filling station that was sealed up 2 days ago and go after and arrest the owner of that filling station. Let him tell us why he's involved in oil bunkering. So nobody can make the state to look unsafe. No, we won't allow it. We're spending money, paying security every day. Whether you're in PDP, whether you're in APC, whichever party you belong, when once we catch you, you're involved, to hell. You can go to social media, write whatever you want to write. It's not my business. You can claim, oh, this and this. It's not my business. My business is to fight crime and criminalities. I owe nobody any apology to fight crime. I took oath of office to say I'll protect life and property. I took oath of office. So until May 29, 2023, I will continue to do that. So if you know there are criminals coming around your area and you give them a covering space, no problem. But one day we'll get intel and we'll know. And when we come, you can tell people it's because they are not supporting me. What are they supporting me for? I'm not running any election. I'm not running any election, so you don't need to support me. You can support those who are running for election. I'm not running. So you don't need to threaten me.